First, ensure you've performed an oil change using Kia recommended synthetic oil, 0W20 for the 2.0 liter engine or 0W30 for the V6. With the ignition in the on position but engine not started and the car in park, use the steering wheel controls to navigate the menu. Press the OK button on the steering wheel to access the cluster menu, then use the directional pad to navigate to the service interval or oil life menu. Select Reset or Confirm and hold the OK button for 3 to 5 seconds to clear the maintenance reminder. Turn the ignition off and then restart the vehicle to verify the reset. Kia released a firmware update in late 2024 that improves the accuracy of the oil life monitor by incorporating real-time data from engine sensors. If the manual method fails, consider using a third-party mobile app like Oil Reset or Car Scanner with an OBD2 adapter for a wireless reset. The Oil Reset app offers a fast way to reset vehicle oil using your mobile phone. Car Scanner provides various diagnostic functions, including oil reset capabilities. Kia's UVO app supports remote resets for some models with a paid subscription. If the light persists, it could indicate a sensor issue, such as a faulty oil pressure sensor, requiring professional diagnosis. A faulty oil pressure sensor can cause the maintenance light to remain on even after resetting. Note that attempting a reset without completing an actual oil change or with the engine running are common errors. Remember, resetting the light doesn't fix underlying mechanical issues. DIY resets are becoming increasingly popular to save money, but ensure all steps are followed correctly to avoid potential engine problems.